Hi, today I'm going to show you how to weave with duct tape. It actually comes out pretty cool. You can use this for a lot of things like duct tape wallets or purses, or you could use it for a coaster for a drink or something. And it just looks cute. You could use it as a cover for a card. There's a lot of things you could do with it. And you need 3 different colors of duct tape, like this. Any 3 colors. And then you start cutting out strips. The number of strips you'll need will depend on how many, how wide or long you want your duct tape thing to make. And I'm going to start with this. And then peel it up and rip it in half. And then you just take one of the pieces and fold it over in half. Actually, thirds would work better because it just looks nicer. So fold it into thirds. Then you have a strip like this, and you just make a few of those. We're going to stop the camera while I make more. Hi, I cut off all my strips. Well, I'm going to need more of these. I just did those to start off with. And then you're going to need you just get 1 strip of duct tape as long as this, like the width of this, and rip it in half. And that's going to be the border around it. So I took some tie-dye, and now you take the strips and stick it to the sticky part, and just stick all of them on. And just cut off the extra when you're done. So then it looks like that on the back. And then you do it with the other side. But first I'm going to cut off this extra piece. Get rid of that. Then I'll take the other side and the other pieces and stick them onto the back of this. Oops, wrong way. So then it looks like that, and you have 2 pieces on either side. It's easier to do it if you stick this down to something, because it's a lot easier to weave it that way. So then you take one of these and just weave it in under, over, under, over. Just basically the way you weave. And then you just do that with as many strips as it takes to cover this up. So we're going to stop the camera for a second while I finish weaving. Hi, we finished our weaving. Now the first step is to tape the sides up. I cut 4 pieces that were a little, about 2.5 inches long, but that's just because this is about 2 inches. And I just cut 2 strips of these and ripped it in half, and those are for the sides. You actually need 4 of them, so you can tape up the other side and it won't be all sticky. So you just tape over the stuff that's all messy. Need to move this. Put that over there. So now you've done that, and you just cut off the extra. I had some pink pieces of duct tape for my weaving that are a little longer, right there. I'll just cut those off at the end. But first, before you do that, you have to take it and flip it over, and then tape over this side. So So then you just do the same thing, but just tape it over on this side instead of the other side. So there it is. Now I just have to cut off the edges. That's that side. Now it's time for this side. And weaving is just a nice thing to know how to do with duct tape, because you can use it just for like anything where you need a big piece of like a big sheet of duct tape. Like you could use it for wallets, just like anything. This part here is being stubborn, so we're gonna stop the camera for a second while I try and get it off. Hi, I just finished cutting off the rough edges and it looks pretty nice so far. So it's up to you what you want to do with it from now. And here's the other one. It looks a little nicer if you do it with 2 different colors or contrasting prints. I did pink and polka dot. It looks kind of cool, but this one looks better. So thanks for watching. Bye.